Hi, welcome back to Engineering Drawing. I'm your Dr. Vasu. We are seeing the lines inclined to both the planes. Let us see another problem in this. A line measuring 80 mm long, that means its true length, has one end 60 mm above HP, 20 mm one end position is given. The second end, other end is 15 mm above HP. So let us represent the data here. Take the reference line. And at a distance of 60 mm above the HP, we draw a line parallel to HP, parallel to the reference line, and this is 60 mm. Now let's mark a point here, that is A dash. So A dash is known, right? And you can draw the projector onto the reference line. Second, the point it is 20 mm in front of VP. The same point is 20 mm in front of VP. At a distance of 20 mm, we draw a line here. And this is on this line, we have the top view of A. Also, if you draw a projector here from A dash, you get the top view of this point A, end A. So one end is fixed, A dash is known. Now, let us represent the other data. The other end is means B, suppose. Other end is 15 mm above HP. That means in the front view, it's a B dash will be lying somewhere here on this line. We may call it as the locus of B in the front view. Okay. So locus of B in the front view at a height of 15 mm. Now, coming to this data, we have two values. 80 mm true length, 60 mm it's in the front view, right? Its front view length is 60 mm. How to make use of it? So here we know A dash and the front view of B, that is B dash, must be lying on this line. I assume the line initially parallel to VP. That means in the front view, we see the true length of the line. So with the 80 mm radius, we draw an arc here intersecting this locus. So this is 80 mm. Now join this, I call it as B1 dash. Join A dash, B1 dash, that is the line parallel to VP. Okay, this is, you get an angle theta. The true inclination with the HP is known. Next, let us take the length of the front view, that is 60 mm. We know A dash, B dash length is 60. So with 60 mm radius, we draw another arc here, right? Another arc here intersecting this, and this is nothing but your B dash. This is B dash, which is at a distance of 60 mm. So join this. A dash, B dash is the final projection. That's why highlighted. A dash, B dash final projection is drawn, and you can mark this as apparent angle in the front view. That is front view, right? Now we have to draw the top view. The top view will be lying on the same projector B dash. B dash must be lying on the same projector. And what else? We can find this is the line which is taken parallel to vertical plane, that is parallel to VP, and making only angle theta with HP. That means we can find the top view of this line. Drop a projector here from B1 dash. This is line parallel to VP, AB1. Our observation is AB1 is constant, right, throughout, because it is making only angle theta with HP. So AB1 is the length of the line in the top view. So with the AB1 as radius, A as center, we draw an arc here like this. Okay, we take AB1 as radius, draw an arc here, intersecting this projector at a point B. So this point is B here. Okay, so AB is known. We got A, B. Join these two. That is the final top view of the line. Okay, that is the top view of the line. And this angle is the apparent angle in the top view, beta. Now, what else? We have drawn the top view also. And you can draw the locus of B in the top view. Draw a line parallel to the reference line passing through B. This is the locus of B in the top view. Okay. Now, on knowing the true length of the line here, that is the 80 mm true length, from A, we draw an arc here intersecting the locus at an arc, at a point. So this point we call it as B2, the top view. That is, we are assuming the line now parallel to HP. When it is parallel to HP, the true length is visible in the front, top view, and true inclination with VP is also clear, visible. Now, join AB2, and this angle is angle with the VP 5. Okay, so like this, we have drawn the final projections and able to find the theta and phi, the angle with HP and VP. Okay. Hope you had understood this problem very well. If you have any queries, please do comment and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.